Hello, Scorpions. So many of you have birthdays. So, in Western astrology, the Sagittarius month started around, I think, 23rd or 24th of November. But in Vedic, sometimes, so for example, this year, the sun is going to move into Sagittarius only on the 15th of December. So, till then, there is a possibility that some of you who think that they're a Scorpion may actually, they're a Saggy, may actually be a Scorpion. So, if you have a sun, moon, or ascendant in Scorpion, uh, in the first week of December, maybe you could be a Scorpion. So just double check that. Meanwhile, this is Guinea Asia, and this is a reading for the month of December for Scorpions. Let's see what is in store for them. Love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So there are certain healing family issues that plague you. Maybe maybe you need inner child healing, and because you've been feeling like flying from your current relationship, maybe you're not happy being there. Maybe you want something more, and all these relationship issues stem from your relationship with your mother. So if you would just heal, probably take some inner child hypnotherapy session or energy healing work, it would benefit. Coming to health, release toxic relationships. It's very weird. I've been asking for health, and it keeps giving me cards which are basically pointing towards relationship issues, because it's your relationship issues with your mother and father that come up in life as your finance and love relationships. And it says that there is a possibility that some of you may need rest. You may be on bed rest. You may need to detox. There is also a possibility that some of you may need to be hospitalized for a minor surgery. So please take care, and just do a detox. If you could just do maybe twice a week, detox, fast, be on water and max fruit juices. It would really help. Coming to finance, you're going to do wonderfully well. There's nothing to worry about. Money is flowing in. It's time for abundance. And your home is already protected by Archangel Michael. So there's nothing to worry about as far as finances are concerned. Your family is protected. You are protected. So the prayer is, Archangel Michael, thank you for watching over my home and its inhabitants. I ask that you post guardian angels at each window and door, ensuring its security. Thank you for guiding my finances so that I can easily afford to pay my rent, mortgages, or taxes. So there's nothing to worry about as far as finances is concerned. As far as tarot goes, no. In case you happen to need a personal reading, you can get in touch with me on Instagram. You can message me on Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram. My Telegram channel is Guinea Asia 11, and my Telegram ID is Mystic Pal Guinea Asia, and my WhatsApp number is 810-8872-131. Thank you. If you like this video and if you resonate with it, kindly like, share, and comment. I would love to read your comments. Thank you so much.